Auto Repair. Today is a good day. 2012 Chevy Impala. The blend door actuators basically are going crazy. I have a group called Actuator Goes Pop Pop Pop, which I will put a link in the description if you want to join it, and just, you know, post videos of yours going crazy, you know, whatever, maybe funny memes, you know, whatever you might want to do. The actual repair video for this will be coming up later, but as you can see, I got this off Amazon. It's a set of 2 HVAC air door actuators. It says the Buick LaCrosse Cadillac XLR and whatever, but it did say when I ordered them that they would fit the Chevy Impala. So let's go ahead and open this up. And, you know, I'm also going to put an address down in the bottom for any of you subscribers that want to send me anything. You know, if you live in another state other than Tennessee and you got some goods that maybe, you know, they don't sell out here in Tennessee or something, you can send it to me, or appreciation for, you know, the videos that's helped you or whatever. Since I've reached 2,000 and up subscribers, I figured, you know, it's about time. So here we go. There's the part number. They're the exact same. So let's, you know, don't need to open, well, we'll open both. Why not? Why not? Boy, well, there's one. Yeah, looks just like, you know, what I took out. Basically, in a nutshell, I'm replacing, cut the video out, you probably won't really even notice. But like I was saying before I got, you know, cut out, basically, the driver's side, which is located on the, so you got the steering wheel here. It's located somewhere down in this area where the radio and HVAC controls are. And right on the other side, inside the dash, you take your glove box out, you know, the glove box, you just remove it. Up in the corner up here is one of them. And then on the complete opposite side, by the driver's door, you have one over here. So on the driver's door, I mean, not driver's door, passenger side door, same area you got to get to from the glove box, but it's very tight. You have one there, you have one here, and then I'm more likely guessing on the other side, you know, you have one here. I should have a picture, which I'll kind of splice in right here at the end of the video, but hopefully these last. I will say these things are pretty cheap. If I ever get my hands on a 3D printer, I will pretty much buy one of these new, open her up, and then make a stronger gears. And then basically, in a nutshell, I'll make it to where, you know, if you want, you could send me your bad one, and or tell me, or basically you got a bad one, and they're easy to take apart. You just got the clip here, here, and then these two clips where the pin connects. You easily just pop those up very easily and then slide the case off. There's gears inside. And I will make a post in the group, and also probably a video here on YouTube when I eventually get a 3D printer. I can't say when, and then, you know, start working on making designs for stronger gears. And then basically, in a nutshell, as long as your motor's good, you know, we can go ahead and send you a set gears and whatnot, and then voila, you know, you rebuild your own actuator, put some grease in there on them gears, you know, to kind of make sure everything runs smooth, and you go. But I'll put a link in Amazon if I can find it where I got these, a lot cheaper than getting them at, you know, Advance or AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatnot. I didn't even check Rock Auto. But again, upcoming video on replacing these. We'll be replacing the driver's side, and we'll be replacing the passenger side one by the door. I still need to get one more, and that one, if I'm able to get one more, I'll have all three, and then we'll just get all three done at once. If not, I'll show you the location where the other one is that I haven't replaced. The other one I've already unplugged it, took it out, I took a gear out. That way, you know, it's that side's, the passenger side's stuck on cold, so it can't go to heat or nothing because I took a gear out. So basically, in a nutshell, the motor in there just spins, but none of it, this doesn't move. All right, I'll go ahead and end it here. That way I ain't talking you to death. But look forward for this upcoming video, and remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button if you want to, give it a like, and comment down below. You know, always helps. Share the video, and remember, broke, fix it.